doing business?
We started probably 4 or 5 years ago as a result of fighting computer problems and certainly not having the expertise myself to take care of those kind of issues. The Neptune9 and Larry Brumfield and his people have the skill set to be able to take care of the day-to-day problems that you run into with the computers and a network setup. When we first started, we built a new facility here. Had never had a server-based network system before. So we first got started with some people who didn't quite understand how to set it up as efficient as it should be. So we were constantly fighting some battles, and we were in a learning curve also. And then Larry called on me a number of years ago. We had the solutions and could design this. He could look at what I needed to do, set up a system that makes it work. And the problem with me was I was fighting daily and weekly with IT issues that really didn't have the skill set to solve. You had to solve them because somebody can't work. Something's not working, so you have to either figure it out or get on the phone with somebody that does know how to figure it out. And so you're constantly fighting that business, and you're not running your business. What I needed to be able to do was hand that off, as I do with to Neptune9. You hand off those problems, and they take care of them. So it eliminates the IT distractions that you can have. Okay, we have quite a number of computers and PCs in the office, probably 15 to 17 in the office. But I've also got computer-based equipment, manufacturing equipment, that it takes a different skill set to be able to have those products and those machines hooked up to our server network. And so whenever we have a problem there, we have a driver, we have a problem with a machine, they can come in remotely, assess the problem, take care of it. And as a result, I don't have to stop what I'm doing. All I have to do is give them the information and tell them what the problem is, and then they take care of it remotely. And then all I do is I get an email back and said, okay, everything's done. The major thing that I like the most is that they come to me with down-to-earth solutions. They talk to me on my level, so that these are common sense solutions. They give me the options, talk about the dollars involved. I generally ask for a recommendation because most of the time I'm going to do what they recommend to do because they know. And if it doesn't work, they get to make it work. But these guys are, if you want reliable technical assistance every day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, these guys, that's what they do.